Yo guys, what is up? My name is Adam and welcome back to another Planet Coaster video. This is not going to be a video on the challenge mode series or a new ride I'm building or anything like that. This is just a little heads up of the winter update, which has just launched today, just a couple hours ago, not even that long, and they've added so much stuff. So I'm not going to show you this. This is a new ride I'm working on, but that doesn't matter right now. We're going to go through all of the things that are in the game that have been put into the game, and yeah, might as well start now. Okay, so the first thing that we have added into the game that I'm going to be showing you today is the new career mode, Festival King Coasters Crackers. And I haven't actually played any of this career. This is the first time I've actually booted the game up. But this is the new Festival's King No! Come back. Come back. Okay, so there's 3 new ones in this. There's Festival Funlands, Carnivorous Coasters, and Back from the Brink. Now, one of the things I have not been the most happy about is that the scenarios, some of them are very generic and like just here's a blank plot of land, build a park up. Like, for example, in here, I thought this was really cool, and pretty much this one, I didn't think that was that cool. In here, the tree's cool, but it's just land and build a park. I thought the Silversmith Manor was awesome, and then these two I haven't got to, but I have seen other people play it, and then there's some good ones and some not so good ones. Okay, so for the 3 new maps in the challenge mode. Interesting. Anyway, for the 3 new maps in the career mode, we have Festivals Funland, Carnivorous Coasters, and Back from the Brink. I haven't actually played any of these yet, but I have just kind of checked them out. And Festivals Funland is an extremely cool map. It deals with the ride fatigue and a lot of the new items in the game. It's got a coaster, a couple of new rides, new shops, and it deals with also the prestige and members that work for you. It's actually a really good one of my favorites that I've done. Not done, but one of the favorites that I've looked at. Carnivorous Coasters, I think this is my least favorite out of the 3 new maps because Carnivorous Coasters, it's kind of like some other ones where they give you a nice bit of terrain and you have to work with it, but there is a height limit. You can't build over the cavern, and also the ride decay of your rides goes down a lot quicker. So I mean, it's not one of the worst, but it's not like the best scenario. And then this is the granddaddy of all of Planet Coaster's scenarios. Why I say that? If any of you have ever played Roller Coaster Tycoon 3, then you will know why. Because Planet Coaster has been a little bit lacking in its career mode, and RCT 3, or Roller Coaster Tycoon 3, had a really good career mode, and a lot of them dealt with, you had people who needed to be paid more, you had a park that was really poorly managed, and then you took it over. That's exactly what this is. It's a poorly managed park with bad rides. The rides are really low in prestige. They are going to be fatiguing really quickly, and you have to turn it around. I think this is what they need. The only thing they need now is VIPs. But basically, those are the 3 new maps, and then you also have over here the new mascot, which is the Festive King Coaster. Now, also, we have a new biome. We have the Arctic biome. So we're just going to start a new one up. And so I got that purple queen, though. And, yes, this is what I've been waiting for all this time, because this is going to have to do with my, what's it called? It's called my Christmas special. No, this is going to have to do with my Christmas special, which I'm going to build a massive park, and gonna time-lapse it and show you guys it. No, but basically, we're gonna be doing some stuff in here. I love the winter stuff, so we're just gonna build mountains over here. Oh, wow. I'm kidding, we're not gonna do that. But now we have some snow, some rough snow, some normal snow, some more snow, some new rock textures, and a new one of these. So obviously this is amazing, and we have a couple other things that I want to show you. Okay, next we have the new shops. There is 7 new shops, and you're probably thinking, wait, Adam, this is 8 shops. Well, that is true, because this is Hat Fantastic, and they have added new things to Hat Fantastic. They've added the elf hat and the reindeer hat, which you can also add to your new avatar. They also have Missy Good, which is a donut shop, Gulpy Soda, Cosmic Cow Ice Cream, Pizza Pen. We've got Pip Shot Water, Pip Shot Smoothies, and of course Pip Shot Juice. These are the 7 new stores plus the new hats in the game, which I think is a very nice addition because we needed more shops in this game. Like, look at how many shops we have now. Like, come on, guys. Like, this is a lot of shops. Yeah. Next, we're going to be going through the new rides that we have in this game. We've got 2 new rides. We have the Collider, which if you guys are active on the forums in Steam, you'll know they put out a survey of what they want to see. In the new game, they give us 4 options, and this is the one that had the most votes. It is basically a Starship Enterprise sci-fi themed ride, and if we speed time up a little bit, we'll see it starts spinning and everything goes to the side, and then it starts working its way up all the way to 90 degrees, which is very, very cool. As we can see right there, it's up to 90 degrees, and it'll come all the way back down. And I think one of my favorite parts of this update is either the new scenery items or this new ride that we've been asking for ever since the start. We've got the Bumping Derby. We finally have bumper cars, you guys. This is the best. We've been asking for this forever, and now we finally have them. I'm just curious. Oh, that's hilarious. The guys drive. Oh, that's the best. They drive and they're dummies. So as you can see, you guys, this is the new bumper cars / Dodgems that we've been asking for a long time. And we finally have them. They've also added a bunch of new coaster blueprints. For example, we've got the Frenzy, which is a stand-up coaster, I believe. I think so. Or sit down. They have a bunch of different rides now. So now we've got a Whirlwind, which is a new spinning coaster. Not a new spinning coaster, but it's a spinning coaster. Blueprint, we've got a bunch of this. We've got this weird eagle thing, one that we've got that I still don't get the ride, but it's weird and interesting. But those are the new rides. But we're not done yet now, are we? We still have more to cover. We have the Power Track ride. We've got Santa's Sleigh. Wait, let me just bring Santa's Sleigh up a little bit. We got Santa's Sleigh. As you can see, we've got a very nice Santa. Very nice Santa. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So we've got Santa's Sleigh, and then what I think goes perfectly with the snow is the new Iron Horse. If it would like to place. There we go. This is the Iron Horse here, folks. This is a new steam locomotive, and it, oh, whoa. It's gorgeous. It's got the nice little thing on the front. It's got more capacity per car. That's the new Iron Horse. It looks gorgeous, too. I love the new Iron Horse. I need 5 minutes. Is that okay? They've also updated the park management. So if we go ahead and look at our staff, now we can also see we've got the new Festive King Coaster, which is the one new staff member / entertainer that we have. Now we can also see right here that if we look at this page, we can also look now at all staff. We can hire them all. right from this exact same page. And we can give them more money. We can fire them. We can change where they roam around and everything like that. Look at that. I got a new achievement. So that's the new things to management. But one of my favorite things, let me just turn it back to daytime, is, okay, right here, the prestige. This is basically, it ran in before in the background. This is how the ride appears to your guests. So if you've got lots of scenery around it and whatnot, the prestige will go up. If it's a really old ride, rickety ride, the prestige might go down. If people are complaining it's rough, it'll go down, blah, 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 like that. Things like that. So basically, it's a 1 and just over half-star prestige rating, but if I put a bunch of scenery around it and whatnot, it'll be better. Also, with the whole old and rough kind of thing, if a ride's been at the park for a really long time, it becomes iconic, and therefore the prestige will go back up because they want to ride it because it's iconic. So now we can also go check over here, and the derby, the Bumpin' Derby, is got prestige of 230, which is also a 1 star. We can also check all of that from over here. We can check the prestige, we can change the prices, keep everything up to date, and that is the best part. But there's even more. Now rides also have wear and tear, which is so the statistics, it is pretty reliable, whatnot. But again, I'm not actually sure if they show it in here. No, they don't. But rides wear down over time, which is cool. Actually, I know why. Because we're in sandbox mode, they're not going to show us because there's no point, because, well, if you show them in sandbox mode, rides don't wear down in sandbox mode, but they do in challenge and career mode. Yeah, but now to one of my favorite parts of the update, so you can see here we have a whole new theme, the festive theme. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to get a big prompt of all of these new items, which is a ton of them. This is just the scenery, so we have got a ridiculous amount of items. But we're going to go to buildings first. We're going to go over to custom, and basically the festive theme has a gingerbread kind of house vibe going on. So we've got the gingerbreadiness, everything like that, and we've got all the different pieces that we can use in the gingerbread houses. They've also made it so that we have a new way of finding things, which, if I can find it right here, there's a recent. So you can see these are all my recent pieces that I've used, which I think is really cool. They're all a bunch of gingerbready houses, and yeah, it's a ridiculous amount of things you get in this update. Apparently there's over like 200 pieces, scenery and building items, which is a lot. And then one of my also favorite things when I can find it is the new rocks, because I love my rocks. Because who doesn't love rocks? I build so many things with rocks. These are the new rocks in the game, the Arctic rocks. Also, we have some new tulips. Now let me just see. Is this a new one? I don't know. Nature. I want the Arctic. So we've got the rocks and trees. We also have these new rocks, the snowy rocks. And yeah, I cannot wait to start building with these, because this is going to be a total lot of fun. Oh, that's more trees again. I'm just going to spam rocks. But yeah, guys, I really do like this update. I'm going to give this update a 9.5 out of 10. The only reason it's not getting a 10 is because they don't have VIPs. They need VIPs. But that's really the only reason that they're not getting a 10. This is pretty much a perfect update. It's free. If you just go into your Steam account, it will automatically update. This is an awesome update, guys. But if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and drop a like down below, and I'll see you guys later.